Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Cadillac ATS 4. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Bluetooth navigation, as well as premium leather heated seats with thigh extension, alloy wheels, heads-up display, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this beautiful brown leather wood and suede finish here on the interior. We're going to have storage and cup holders on the bottom. You're also going to come equipped with a Bose speaker sound system, of course with your power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows, as well as your child lock and your seat memory just right there. Of course, you're going to have your Cadillac badging and these beautiful heated seats with the thigh extension. Very comfortable. Thigh extension's manual. Just pull it out like that. You're going to have suede throughout your dash with the wood. Of course, on the bottom here, we're going to have our park assist, as well as our lane keep assist and our heads-up display control. Moving on to the steering wheel on the left, we're going to have our voice recognition, heated steering wheel, as well as our forward collision alert and our cruise control. On the right side, our volume control, and as well as our odometer cluster control. Basically, an access from your radio, your Bluetooth connectivity, other settings as well. And that's pretty much it here. You're going to have behind the steering wheel, you're going to have two silver aluminum paddle shifters. You're going to have your engine push to start, as well as your heated seats with your dual zone climate control. And just under, oh, gotta press harder. You're going to have a wireless charging pad, as well as a USB port inside. Oh, gotta hit it at the right spot here. Okay, well, it's just going to go down like that. Anyways, here you're going to have an extra storage with a 12-volt DC port inside, as well as you're going to have your navigation, climate control, as well as your OnStar services, and of course your Bluetooth connectivity. Just down here, you're going to have your drive mode selector, tour, sport, and snow and ice. Usually just stays on tour. Of course, you're going to have your cup holders and your center console with USB ports, an auxiliary port, and an SD card reader for navigation as well. Passenger side, like I said, it's going to have that same finish. Same with across the door. You're going to have that suede throughout the dash, speakers up top, as well as you can access your OnStar services and your SOS, as well as your universal garage door opener and your powered sunroof. You're going to have these blacked out 18-inch alloy wheels with the paint match mirror cap and hybrid chrome paint match keyless entry door handle. In the back here, you're going to have that little lip there for your brake light, as well as on the bottom you have your dual exhaust, of course with the backup camera. Open in the back, you're going to have a little extra storage on the sides as well. Quite a spacious rear for a smaller car, as well as extra storage on the bottom. Very spacious rear. Onto the rear, it's going to have that same style, speakers on the bottom, a little kind of storage inside the door handle, and your power windows with that wood chrome suede. Again, we get in the back, you're going to have storage right there, suede on the back, as well as you're going to have rear ventilation, speakers in the back, right here in the center. You're going to have extra storage inside, as well as the cup holders, and you can access the rear from here as well. And you're going to have lamps and handles on the side as well. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2015 Cadillac ATS 4, featured with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as Bluetooth connection with navigation, as well as 18-inch alloy wheels, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and as well as heads-up display, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.